Ladies and gentlemen, it's Norfolk 11 today and I'm going to prank my mum. I've got tons of toilet rolls above the doors, so here I go. Okay, Mum, my rap's ready. I'm going to record it, okay? Mum? Sweet. Yeah, come here. Come for the utility room. Because that's where it is, okay? Come on, I'm going to record it, okay?
No, I'm scared.
No,
I don't want to come out.
It's fine. Hang on, go in my bedroom and hang on, let me just get my mask on, okay? Because I did actually do it, okay? Right? Okay.
Oh!
Got you. Where is it? Where is it? I'm chucking toilet.
I said no for, not toilet roll.
There's some more, quick! Oh, dang it, there ain't any more. Anyway, I just pranked my mum again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.